Sri Ram College of Commerce, established in 1926 and located in Delhi, has received an overall rating of 4.5 on Shiksha.com. Let's take a closer look at the BCom Honours program offered here, starting with the placements, which are rated 4.6 stars. According to the NIRF 2024, 936 students graduated from the 3-year UG program in 2022-23, with 530 securing placements and 402 opting for higher studies. The placement rate was 57% in 2023, reflecting a dynamic trend over the years. The median salary offered stood at 8 lakh per annum, showing a significant increase from 2021. Notable recruiters included McKinsey, BCG and Deloitte, with roles such as banking analyst and business analyst. The highest salary offered in 2023-24 was 35 lakh per annum. Compared to other DU colleges like Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College and Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, the median salary offered at Sri Ram College of Commerce is significantly higher. Speaking of internships, 115 plus offers were made, with the highest stipend offered at 3.67 lakh per annum. Students know that the opportunities were offered to KPMG, HUL, JP Morgan, Google, Bain and Bank of America. Shifting our focus to academics, where the BCom Honours program at SRCC is rated 4.6. There is a 3-year undergraduate program designed by the Department of Commerce, University of Delhi, with an enrollment of 626 students. Admission is based on the scores obtained in CUET. The 3-year program fees is 88,000 rupees, with hostel fees at 1.74 lakhs. SRCC offers scholarships like the Abhas Hajela Memorial and Envision scholarships, along with financial aid and an earn while you learn opportunity. Next, let's take a look at the infrastructure rated 4.5 stars. SRCC originally started operating in a bungalow in Daryaganj until 1951 and now operates from a 16-acre campus in DU's North Campus. It offers Wi-Fi-enabled spaces, air-conditioned, ICT-enabled classrooms, a seminar room and sports facilities. The boys' hostel has 170 rooms, while the girls' hostel accommodates 53. The campus also includes an auditorium, tutorial rooms and a canteen with healthy meals. Now about the faculty and course, rated 4.5 stars. SRCC's faculty members are highly qualified, with most of them holding PhDs. The teaching is integrated and practical and appreciated by students, along with a minimum attendance requirement of 75%. The passing percentage is 63%. SRCC collaborates with prestigious institutions like NYU, the University of Melbourne and Columbia University, paving the way for enhanced exposure through workshops, conferences, visits and excursions. Switching gears to the 4.7 star rated Campus Life. Campus Life features cultural, academic, social, entrepreneurship and service societies. Major events include the annual Cultural Festival Crossroads, seminars and the national colloquiums. Lastly, Sri Ram College of Commerce holds the 19th rank in the NIRF 2024 college category. For more details on the Sri Ram College of Commerce located in Delhi and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.